got a cranky baby. I've got my Acadian, which is my modal, so same fabric. So I went ahead and threaded it already. You just, try to make sure it's not super bunched up. Kind of use my fingers to like work out all the knots. So one trick for newborns that I use is use my elbow as like to create my pocket before I get my baby, because you want this up kind of underneath, so it's like a little cup. So the back, this is what tightens the bottom. So they call them rails, and so this tightens the top, and this will tighten the bottom. So use that to kind of create your pocket first. Baby's bum's gonna go in there. So I've got a good pocket. I'm shaky. Take your baby over your shoulder. Get her in, wiggle her into the pocket. So this baby likes to stand. I didn't have this issue with Addison so much, so she sometimes resists this, but I just reach in and grab her legs and I just pull them up. So knee up here, pull it up, grab her. Otherwise she kind of stands up and the froggy gets a little tricky. So once you pull her legs up, like her foot's right here, her other foot is right here, settle her bum down, and she just spit up all over me. That's gross. Not gonna change. Thanks. Is that why you were cranky? Kind of bubble. So you get her in, and then you just tighten it up. So her legs are up, her bum's down here. As long as just the knees are higher than the bums, it's good. She's in, she's tight, she's comfy. You can't really see, but there's like a lot of fabric up here so that she's not gonna fall out. I can move all over and she's not going anywhere. You can sometimes, if you want more, you reach down and you just pull it up. I just pulled up a ton, you can even see it right there. So she is in a pocket, she is not going anywhere. Adjust your shoulders how you want to. Keep pulling to tighten. Get it where you want. And then the last trick people like to use, sometimes because she's a little bobble-headed, sometimes I just tuck the tail here so she's not gonna clunk her head on the rings. Or people like to, if they really don't have a strong neck yet, they do the little twisty tail, and then you pull it up behind their head. Spit up spot on my chest there. And you tuck it in so it's just a little bit more support if they lull their head back, which she's a little older now, so she's got the neck support, so I usually just do this and make it like a little pillow so she can lean on that. And that's it. Well, just adjust to you're comfortable, she's comfortable. The modals are really forgiving on this, they're really stretchy, so you can move them around a lot till they're happy. And that is that. So hopefully this helps. I think you'll figure it out pretty quickly, and just the more you practice, the easier it is. All right, see you later.